Spring is the perfect time to take care of your garage door, especially here in Los Angeles. After months of fluctuating weather, minor issues like misaligned tracks or worn-out springs could lead to expensive repairs if ignored. A quick maintenance check can help prevent major problems and even extend the life of your garage door system. At Dana's Gate and Garage Door Repair, we specialize in thorough inspections, making sure your garage door stays safe and secure. Don't wait until a small issue becomes a big repair. Contact us today to schedule your spring maintenance and keep your garage door running smoothly all year.